You deserve it. When the beach is out of reach, treat yourself and get kissed by the sun. Pittsburgh's full-service tanning salon, offering 3 levels of tanning with state-of-the-art equipment, including UV tanning by Mystic Tan. We are Smart Tan certified and trained. Our full-service salon is complete with hair and nail services for men and women, including waxing and eyelash application, massage, deep tissue, Swedish and prenatal, as well as body wraps and scrubs are available. Take inches off in less than an hour. And if you're afraid of commitments, try Finkatat airbrush makeup and tattoos. Carrying a large selection of tanning lotions and a wide variety of body and hair care products, from moisturizers, shampoos, exfoliates, and flat irons. If we don't have what you're looking for, we'll special order at no additional cost. Ask about our low price guarantee. Quality products, best price, great service. Kissed by the Sun, located on the corner of 3rd and Railroad in Old Town, Pittsburgh. You deserve it.